Hello guys, now we're playing Forsaken. Just we find it is where is it? No, I'm gonna search it. Search it. Search it.
Sinabi ko, di ba? Walang maglalaro ng ping-ping kasi nakakasundot ng ice.
Paro regress. Tawara lerira.
May laro si Empoy mamaya.
Oh. What?
Tingnan mo, Emso. Isa, tingnan mo to. Dali.
Huh? Yeah. The Forsaken was like me. I almost played because I picked Jason or what?
Ba't wala tayo duty pag
Hello,
italit ka ng candy at chocolate? Kakainin yan. Patay ka. Ayun, ayan.
Just play. Just play your garden.
Ang sakit.
Wala.
Uy, wala. Uy, wala. Uy.
Warrior, no! Kuemso na nahuhubog. Aray. Wait. Oh, bad mood yun.
Ay, wala ka.
Eh,
Isa, huwag mo nang kunin yan. Baka naman masundot sa ice. Ang kulit.
Sprinkle method yun. Yun ang ginagawa ko.
Ano nga yan? Di ba sabi ko?
Kita-kita!
Ice mo. So, din. Ice mo. Dadating na pala yung flashlight ko.
NPC. Sana hindi ka nag-ano.
Uy, saan mo ito nakuha?
Akin po yan.
I don't love it and
Walang stock eh.
love it, I just need the word. Love it, I just
Oh!
love it, I just need the word. I don't know.
Huwag na kasi kunin. Nangangawak to. Ng itlog.
Manita. Nandun siya, baby pa yan. Di pa nga na... Ay, ang finger mo! Di pa nga yan napasok eh. Kasi di pa yan nakakaintindi.
No stock? Bye, ah. Ito, lightning rods. Not bigger enough.
Ay, gagawa ko nga para si Enzo nung.
I can took it.
Mommy.
Bata pa nga ni si Isay. No pakialam. I will give this to like and subscribe. Please like and subscribe.
I have.
Ito ba naman mahal?
I have 3 mangoes. I will give to dragon fruit to super big to subscribers now. Bro, great. I didn't have that. Please. Your money is actually an billion now. Show me a gear shop. I will kill you. Hanani. Guys, what is this? Is a candy blossom or moon blossom? Comment that below. It's not bloodlet or blood moon event. I'm gonna check from radyo.
Ano ba yun, Isay naman? Init-init.
Bambang Mine Cuisine.
Sa bambang.
Nasaan na?